Okay, bishop's motto. Rectangle, loose leaves towards you. In the center, crease. Put the two parallel lines. Flip. The top parallel line comes onto the bottom. Relieve. Half the mountain. Put the flap back. Flip. Half the mountain. Entangle. It's the bishop's martyr. Take a napkin, square napkin, diamond shape, loose leaves towards you. Put all the loose leaves on top. Push two tails down, bring two tails down. Push the tail behind, fold it into half and pull the leaves. That's your coxcomb. For elf shoe, rectangle, just make sure that the loose leaves are below this line. One short tail, one long tail. Right hand, long tail. The two mountains fall in center. The two mountain wall fall in center. Close it. Keep it like this. The tail gets pushed on the right hand top corner. Flip and entangle. To make it stand, press the anchor and it will stand. Square napkin, loose leaves towards you. Two leaves on top, two leaves down. Now this triangle that you have, you need to pleat. Crease and pull 180 degrees, 90 degrees, 180 degrees and 90 degrees and tuck it in the glass. Begin with a upside down napkin, two flaps in the center, crease. Put your finger in the center and open four flaps, all the four flaps. Now pleat the first half, roll the first half and pleat the second. Go a little beyond half and start pleating. Flip, groove, pleat. 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 Your roll should come on top, into half, Japanese candle fan.